Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix screen flickering on your HONOR Magic8 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust brightness in these settings. So go over to settings and then you need to scroll down until you see display and brightness. Here, you guys definitely want to disable automatic brightness first and then adjust the brightness however you like it. Make sure to adjust it to the point where you do not see your screen flicker randomly. And what you guys want to do after that is simply go over, and if that didn't help, go to the Play Store. And after going into the Play Store, go to search and search for the screen dimmer and then OLED Saver. Here you install the first app, which is by Rohex, and click install. It's only 1.5 of the megabyte, so it should install instantly. Let's click open, and here what we want to do is you want to grant permissions for changing the system settings, because we need to change the brightness. And here what we want to do is we want to go over and scroll down to downloaded services in the accessibility. We need to grant this permission, so whenever we open up a keyboard or overlay, we change and rotate our screen, then we need the brightness to adjust to. Now let's grant permissions and let's click the check mark. Now we can click enable service and lower our brightness right here. And as you guys can see, here we have it. Now for the notifications, it won't send you any. It is as a muted notification. You can tap on it to adjust the screen brightness, and you can disable the service anytime you want, but remember to change the brightness after this. Now after you do that, what you guys want to do as a last resort, if that didn't help, is update your software or check for updates. So go to settings and scroll down until you guys see system and updates almost at the bottom. Now tap not reset, but software update, and here it will check for updates automatically. Now as you guys can see, we can double check it by clicking the check for updates button. I am up to date, but if you guys aren't, then make sure to update your software. It's very important. Now for the last resort, we go over to reset and click reset phone. Now this will delete everything, and by clicking reset phone, we will get rid of any accounts, app data, and photos, videos, contacts, and everything else. So make sure to back it all up first. And that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.